So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically print your Excel sheet. So no matter whether your data looks something like mine, which has no data inside of it whatsoever, or it's populated with a bunch of data, I'll go and show you a quick breakdown on exactly how to print out these particular sheets. Now to start off with, this is the online version, but if you're using this, desktop app, it's roughly around the same thing as well. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to the top portion of your Files application right up here. So come right into this particular panel, and what you want to do is you want to click on the File option that's in the top left corner. When you do that, there should be a little button that comes up right here that should allow you to print out your particular sheet. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the Print button that's right here. When you do that, it's going to bring you into this page. It's going to go ahead and break down exactly all the options for your printing on the right side. It's going to allow you to print out your active sheet or your entire workbook. It's going to allow you to specify exactly the paper size that you have, the orientations, and all this other information here. Now when you're ready, you can click on the Print button that's in the top right corner, and it's going to allow you to basically print out that sheet that you basically had. So that's essentially all you're really going to have to do for the most part. It really is that basic, and that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.